this is them. LED strip. Okay. Nothing else in here. Got some instructions with the remote. Alright. And their USB. Let me go get the USB charger thing and see if they work.
A few moments later.
I got the charger. Hey! They work. There's red. Is it gonna focus? Doesn't look like it. There we go. There's green. Blue. Pink. And there's the demo. Speed them down. Speed them up. Color switch just regular. Brightness. Uh-oh. They quit working. I think this thing died. My battery thing died. 1 minute. There we go. Now that we got another one. That's with the colors. It's not bad for 12 bucks. So there you guys have it. That's what comes in the box. Everything works pretty good, to be honest. So alright, I will be hooking them up underneath a table and on a TV. So when I make that video, you guys can check it out. Till next time.